Hello there. I am Joanne Moss with Standard Electric Supply, and welcome to another Hot Products in a Hot Minute. We are on episode 32, and today I have with us a returning rock star, Jack Sturm with LUTZE. He's here to tell us all about the Industrial Ethernet Cat 6A cable.
That's right.
So why don't you tell us all about it?
Thank you, Joanne. As you mentioned, I'm here today to talk about Ethernet cable. For me, Ethernet cable is kind of like an unsung hero in the digital world. It's sending data at lightning speeds to keep factories going. It keeps our robots moving. And it keeps our machines talking in real time. In my experience, there's a lot of communication cable to choose from, and it can be overwhelming, right? There's so many options. You have headaches, compliance issues, and maybe you can't find stock of what you really want. All right. So that brings us to what we have developed is LUTZE 104397. This is a category 6A cable, and I refer to it as the Swiss Army knife of industrial Ethernet. To get kind of started, the Ethernet, or the cable, excuse me, it's 10 gigs per second over 100 meters. It's got robust protection against EMI from motors, drives, all the things you kind of see in this space. It does that with a dual shielded design, and like all of LUTZE's cables, it flexes into tight spots, really without breaking a sweat. What's truly unique about this cable in particular, it's got a ton of ratings, right? It's UL listed for PLTC ER, which is exposed runs. So in practice, you don't need conduit for those quick little 6-foot jumps in tray, which can really help with installation costs and headaches for how you're doing the run. It's got wet location rating. So this is really kind of for like an indoor environment, but we have a lot of success with washdown areas, for example, in food and beverage and processing plants. It's got CMG rated. It's AWM 600 volt rated. So, you can sit next to power circuits. It's got sunlight, oil resistance, and all said, right? This is, a one cable fit all for tray, for panels, for machines. You don't have to really mess around with a bunch of different SKUs to get cable done. This is the one for you. We're very happy to send out samples. Please reach out to your Standard Electric account manager. They know how to find us. So thank you for listening to a little insight into a new and improved LUTZE Cat 6A industrial Ethernet cable.
Jack, thank you so much. I don't know if people are going to order that for Christmas, like a Swiss Army knife to give away, but they could. So like he said, if you want a demo of this product, just reach out to your account manager. Need a quote, reach out to them too. And I will see you next time on the next Hot Product in a Hot Minute. Thanks for watching.